Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. In today's tutorial, we're gonna learn how to see liked reels on Facebook. So without wasting time, let's start. Like sometime we liked a reel and want to reopen it, then you are on right video. So first of all, open my Facebook application. After that, I will go to my profile menu. Here I find button of reels. So here we can see lot of reels. Like I'm going to like that reel. Now the question is that how can I find that reel again? So tap on the profile button present at upper right corner of your mobile. After tapping that, you will see liked option. Tap on it. So here we go. Here you can see your liked reels. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for further cool tutorials. So bye bye.